Choosing the right UI component library for React projects can be overwhelming due to the vast number of options available, but is a very important decision. There are many key factors to consider, but before I start, I want to mention that creating these types of content takes a lot of time. Your likes and subscriptions help a lot. The key factors to consider when choosing a UI library, in my opinion, are the following. Component variety. Does it have what you need? Components like advanced grids, charts, date pickers, documentation, and component quality. Are components well documented and easy to understand? Customization. Can you implement UI UX and brand designs easily? Community and support. Will this library continue to be developed in upcoming years? Performance. Can it handle low-end devices? For every factor, I tried to find the best options available. However, I couldn't review all of the libraries. So if I miss any good ones like NextUI or From React or React Bootstrap, please mention them in the comments. For an admin dashboard, you'll need data grids, charts, and complex forms. However, for an SEO-focused site, sleek buttons and animations might be more important. MUI and Ant Design dominate enterprise-level apps. MUI's date pickers and data grids are the best, but they can be overkill for simple projects. DaisyUI and shadcn excel for SEO-friendly public sites, landing pages, or blogs due to their useful and sufficient starter components. Bad documentation equals wasted hours. MUI has comprehensive guides for everything: RTL support, server-side rendering, different CSS engines like Emotions or style components, framework implementation, and excellent migration guides and tools. Chakra and Mantine have solid, clean, and beginner-friendly docs, but lack in depth example and use cases. Ant Design has excellent and thorough examples, though some important documentation like enterprise components are only available in Chinese. DaisyUI and shadcn provide amazing setup guides for every framework, but lack useful, in-depth examples. For instance, migrating my MUI version 5 project to version 6 was straightforward, thanks to detailed deprecation warnings and migration guides. However, upgrading my shadcn project from Tailwind version 3 to version 4 was challenging and ultimately unsuccessful due to the time and effort required. Good documentation saves sanity. If your UI UX design is unique and requires extensive brand-related modifications, your chosen library's customization capabilities can be a lifesaver. Tailwind-based frameworks excel in this area. DaisyUI is the customization king with great theming capabilities and ease of use. shadcn follows a copy and paste approach. Configuring components for a new design system can be challenging. MUI, Chakra, and Mantine, due to their CSS and JS engines, for them customization can be difficult but achievable when designs aren't consistent throughout the project. But just for your information, the CSS and JS component libraries are efficient for projects and designs where you have a consistent pattern and design, whatever that they are, but you want them to be consistent throughout your project, and they are suitable only in that case. And by consistency in this context, I mean that you design and customize your components only once and you will use them throughout your project. And another tip for you is that just try to avoid Ant Design if you need both customizability beside consistency in the project. A library without a strong community isn't worth your investment. MUI undoubtedly has the best tutorials, learning resources, and community support. Ant Design also has a very large community with frequent updates. DaisyUI has also a very straightforward break-in updates, migrations, if you follow their design patterns, but also they might be slightly challenging for larger scale projects. Also, in my opinion, shadcn is not very ideal for long-term projects requiring regular updates. While not always crucial, performance matters for mobile users and SEO-friendly websites. Tailwind-based solutions like shadcn and DaisyUI win with tiny bundles and their zero runtime overhead. Mantine is the leanest CSS in JS option. MUI and Chakra both have good tree shaking and bundle size, but because of the nature of their components and their complexity, they might affect low-end devices. And also, Ant Design struggles with tree shaking and has high bundle sizes and might not be a very good solution for mid-end and even low-end devices. If I want to summarize and give my opinionated choices, MUI is my go-to component library for enterprise projects. If I want to create a very SEO-friendly and performant projects, I'm gonna use DaisyUI. Mantine is also one of the new components libraries that I've got familiar with recently, and I fell in love with it very quickly, and in my opinion, currently it's very underrated. And also, shadcn also might be a very risky choice, but if you choose it wisely, it can be really rewarding for your project based on your specific project requirements. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.